My views on climate change. I think we need to pay a lot more attention on climate change because of the urgency and because of the catastrophes that have been created all over the world. Kind of catastrophes that we have not seen before. Floods, earthquakes, landslides, tornadoes, sea levels rising, you name it, we have had it. And there is so much of human suffering associated with this. That's why it's so important that we do something about this climate change and what should be done. We should really reduce the carbon dioxide gases that are being emitted into the ecosystem by using fossil fuels, and which we use like petroleum products for transport and other carbon dioxide emitting, even incinerating bodies, dead bodies. That also contributes to carbon emissions, and all this carbon emission accumulation would finally lead to this kind of climate change. And how do we get rid of this kind of catastrophes? By controlling the climate change and into our development, to develop the economic standards of our countries, we need to use energy. And using energy means we have to use petroleum products, and we have to use other carbon emitting products or other gases like methane and so on getting into the atmosphere. Now, development on one side and reduce these carbon emissions on the other side. That is our dilemma. So how do we do this? We have to adapt some measures to cut down carbon emissions by some means or the other. So what we have to do is use all tools that are available with us, nationally as well as internationally, to take some action, and to take action now, not in 10 years' time. So ICT, information and communication technologies, has given us a lot of tools in the way of I know about 3-4 years ago we used to say there's a competition between the transport sector and the communication sector. Whoever wins will win the game. So transport sector consumes energy, whereas communication sector does not consume that kind of energy. So if we use what is available in the communication sector to reduce the transport that we have to do, I think we will be able to cut these emissions drastically. So that is one thing. To do that, we have to make people aware, we have to make governments aware of this, and certain policy changes have to be made by governments to take action and to take action now. Thank you.